Live streaming with YouTube. Everybody knows YouTube as a video sharing platform, but not everybody knows how far YouTube has gone when it comes to serving great video content because it does not only deliver already recorded videos to share. YouTube also allows people to share live streaming video, which is nothing but video broadcasts that are shared in real time, allowing video content creators to offer a much more interactive experience to viewers. Live streaming on YouTube is easy, and it doesn't require you to have expensive equipment or anything like that to get yourself on the air. Starting a live stream on YouTube is as easy as going to your YouTube channel dashboard and then clicking on the live streaming tab on the left side menu. You will notice that there are two ways to launch your live streams on YouTube: Stream Now and Events. Each live streaming option serves a purpose, so let's take a look at each one. Stream Now. The Stream Now is the easiest way to start a live stream on YouTube because it allows you to jump right into a live stream without you having to run a complicated setup. This is possible because the Stream Now option allows YouTube to automatically detect your bandwidth and other technical parameters to give your viewers an optimal viewing experience. When you click on the Stream Now tab, you will only need to set up your encoding software, to add streaming info to your broadcast, to add optional features to your broadcast, and to click on Play to go live. Let's start by setting up your encoding software. You will need encoding software that can feed video data from your computer or device to YouTube. We recommend you to use OBS because it's free and easy to set up. You will simply need to locate and copy the server URL and the stream key on your live dashboard and paste it on your encoding software. And click on Start Streaming. Go back to your live dashboard and then add your live streaming information, including your live stream title, description, and category. You can configure other streaming options in the Stream Options tab, as well as to add cards on your videos in the Cards section right before starting your Stream Now live stream. Once you're ready to go live, simply click on the Play button and you're set to go. Events. Let's now check the more advanced Events option, from where you will be able to set a broadcast requiring more meat, such as when you need to run a multi-camera setup. Click on the New Live Event tab to get started. Enter the basic info for your event, including title, a start and end time, a description, and tags. In the Privacy section, specify if your event is going to be public, private, or unlisted. Add a message to your video and choose which social media platforms to share your event on. Choose your type of broadcast as Quick if you will be using Google Hangouts on air, or Custom if you want more encoding options available. We recommend you to go with Quick so you can live stream it the easy way. Now click on the Advanced Settings tab. Here, you will be able to enable or disable live chat, to choose a category, to set the language of the video, to enable comments, to enable DVR backup recording, and to configure video optimizations. You can also edit information related to license, ownership, syndication, caption certification, distribution, promotions, age restrictions, location, community settings, statistics, and content declaration. Now click on the Go Live button to continue. This will launch a Hangouts on Air session that will allow you to live stream your broadcast using your webcam and computer microphone, or the camera and microphone of the device that you were using to launch your live event. So you need to allow Hangouts on Air to use them. Wait for Hangouts on Air to load this session and then click on Start Broadcast to go live. A This Hangouts on Air is live message will appear in the top right corner, and a live caption will appear to let you know that your session is alive and healthy. You will be able to manage your settings, your bandwidth, your camera, and your microphone while live on Hangouts, and you will also be able to invite people during your broadcast. You will also be able to manage your live streaming chat, to share screen captures, and to manage your cameraman. You can use the Links button to share your live video page URLs with your viewers while you are live, as well as to get a video embed URL too. Once you are ready to end your live streaming session, simply click on the Stop Broadcast button, and that's it. You can always check and edit your finished live events by going to the Events tab.